Would you agree if I say the time is flying? कल किसी ने मुझे advance happy new year wish किया, इतना जल्दी? There are many things that has changed in 2023. In this video, I'm gonna share what I have learned and what has changed in my life. Let's find it out. नमस्ते, hello. My name is. By now, अब तो मेरा नाम जान गया होगा. If you don't know who am I, my name is Vajira Dorjey and I come on YouTube every Saturday at 9 p.m. with one video. My intention is to help people with the video to have a happy, satisfied and productive life. ये मेरा intention है. In this video, I'm gonna share 3 lessons that I have learned in 2023 which may be useful for the coming year, that is 2024. What steps, what activities did I participate to make sure that I master these 3 lessons? The number 1 lesson that I have learned is to make a balance between mental and physical wellness. It is very important for me. एक मानसिक और शारीरिक स्वस्थ रहना एक सक्सेसफुल लाइफ के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. वी स्पेंड सो मच टाइम टू मेक श्योर दैट हाउ वी लुक आउटसाइड फिजिकली, मैं कैसा देखता हूँ, बट ऑफन वी फॉरगेट हाउ इज़ आवर मेंटल क्वालिटी. फॉर मी इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी दैट आई बैलेंस द फिजिकल वेल बीइंग एंड मेंटल वेल बीइंग. व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज़, मान लीजिए आपने किसी एक इंसान को देखा और आप उनसे बहुत आकर्षित हुआ, उनकी शारीरिक रूप से देख के बहुत हैंडसम स्मार्ट है, बट when you meet that person you figure it out that that person isn't compassionate, that person doesn't talk positive. If this is the way, would you still be attracted to this person? Isn't it? So when you in the long run you are attracted to a person who are physically and mentally fit. So to strike the balance between physical and mental well-being is a big lesson that I have learned in 2023. To do this, to balance my mental well-being, मैंने meditation को शुरू किया. I signed up for physical residential courses, some online courses, and I try to make sure that I'm aware in my day-to-day life, wherever there is time possible, to meditate for some time and become aware of the reality of my life. And for physical, I have done something very interesting, that is to run a very challenging 72-kilometer ultra marathon in Ladakh. In 2023, I am very proud that I could do this. This is not just a quick preparation. इसके लिए आपको 6 महीना से प्रिपेयर करना होता है. So ये 6 महीना का जो प्रिपरेशन लॉन्ग, इसमें से आपको बहुत चीज़ सीखने को मिलता है. I had knee injuries and looking at my physical appearance, many of the people said, कैसे? I cannot see a runner in you. आप नहीं कर सकते हो. But when I had the knee injuries, I went to hospital to show doctors. Of course, they were saying what is the fact, but still I had that zeal to make sure that I run this marathon, and I completed this in September. So I'm very proud. In this way, I was able to take care of my physical and mental well-being. Number 2 that I want to share is to strike a balance between family time and a personal time. Both are very, very important. In 2023, I realized that it is very necessary. I am from Ladakh, but I live in Bangalore with my wife and kid. It's been 2 years that I didn't see my parents. So I had to make sure that I visit Ladakh and spend 40 quality time. इस बार मैंने लद्दाख में गया, पेरेंट्स के साथ, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ, खेत में काम किया, यहाँ वहाँ गया, रिलेटिव से मिला, फैमिली से मिला, पुराना सर्कल को कनेक्ट किया, मेरा वाइफ और मेरे चिल्ड्रन के साथ किया. So we had a very wonderful time, and I think it is very necessary that we understand and try to involve family in anything we do, or anything you are starting in your life. Try to involve family into that. It makes it very rich and meaningful, and it opens your eyes. The another thing is to spend personal time. For me, it was a win-win situation when I took up a course. आप में मैं खोया रहता हूँ, तो इसमें मुझे बहुत सारा पर्सनल टाइम मिलता है. और दौड़ने का, मैराथन का ये और भी बेनिफिट रहा. Sometime I used to run for 30 kilometer, where it takes 3 hours, 3.5 hours. अपने आप में दौड़ा करते थे. So it was a great personal time for me to reflect and realize. So this is how I was able to strike. So it is very important for you in 2024 to make time for your family and a personal time for yourself. Number 3 lesson that I have learned is to do something extra beyond your fixed routine. I have made a video on how the importance of having a fixed routine, but it is also important to strike a balance that you do something beyond your fixed schedule. For me, it was this YouTube channel. This is something beyond my schedule, for which I have to make time, for which I have to prepare, and I've found some wonderful people in my team who are taking care of editing this and giving wonderful valuable feedbacks, and as well as to explore few of the other topic. There was of course ups and downs, but this was something that has brought some meaningful transformation in my life beside my fixed daily schedule. So it is very important. So I encourage you to take up some activities where you spend 30 minutes on 1 hour or at least 3 hours a week beside your daily schedule. ये करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, इससे बहुत सारा चीज़ सीखने को मिलता है और मोर इम्पोर्टेंट में बहुत मज़ा आता है. आप अपने आप को टेस्ट कर सकते हैं बहुत सारा चीज़ों में. So these are the 3 lessons that I have learned. आई एम नॉट क्लेमिंग दैट आई हैव मास्टर. मैं इसका बाप नहीं बना हूँ, मुझे और इसमें बहुत सारा काम करना है. नया साल 2024 में और काम करूँगा. कोशिश रहेगा कि मैं और बेहतर इंसान बनूँ. आई विश टू कमिट टू 3 थिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. द नंबर 1 is to have a good weight. Like if I'm 80 now, I wish to be 72 and maintain that for 2024. Number 2 is I wish to donate 10 lakh rupees for various people uses. It can be for monastery, meditation, for personal help, somebody's education or anything. I would like to set a target of donating 10 lakh rupees. And number 3, surely I'm hesitating, but I must say I would wish to help through YouTube 1 lakh people, means 1 lakh subscriber for my YouTube channel. These are my few wishes for 2024 for a productive year. What are your wishes? Please comment down below what you have learned, what has changed in 2023. Please comment down below if there are any topics that you wish me to make video. I'm very grateful that you have joined me on this journey in 2023. I would express all my heartfelt thanks. I wish you a wonderful, productive, transformative 2024 year. Before I wind up, I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Please इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, मुझे इस जर्नी पे ज्वाइन करिए और हम लोग साथ मिलके बहुत चीज़ सीखते हैं. It's pleasure talking to you. Until next time, do good, be happy. अच्छा काम करें और खुश स्वस्थ रहे. नमस्ते.